Hi guys, this is Rhea and welcome back to another episode of College Diaries. No, last episode. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa 7-Eleven kasi hintay namin si Rona tsaka si Jarel. And may mas kami today tapos distribution ng cups and gowns. Pero suspended talaga kasi bukas.
Hospitality Management, specialized in hotel and restaurant administration, summa cum laude.
To our university president, thank you and congratulations to all of us.
Thank you very much, Ms. Bianca Nicole D. Pangaliwagan, our summa cum laude.
Congratulations to this important batch. Congratulations to all the
Our summa cum laude, Pagkaliwagan Bianca Nicole D, BSIHM Hotel and Restaurant Administration. Congratulations to our awardees and honor graduates, batch 2026.
Thank you very much, Dr. Cecil Pring, our Vice President for Academics and Research.
This December. And now may I
Pagkaliwagan Bianca Nicole D, summa cum laude.
Perez Renz Carlo P. Sarmiento Jerry Miles M.
Academics and Research, Dr. Cecilia C. Pring. And maybe that's the reason why I tried to live my life the same way. Planado, pulido, kalkulado. There's so much more into that. Natutunan kong gumala, mag-cram, umabsent ng walang dahilan, love life, the humility to keep learning, and the conviction to stand by the values that define who you are. To my friends, Shane, Abby, Miles, Kay, CJ, Pat, Pen, Renz, Rona, Kiana, Jorel, AA, and JC. And most especially to my mom and dad. Surprise! Ngayon lang po kasi nila nalaman na ako po ay summa cum laude at ako po ang magsasalita. Sila po ang aking mga magulang, palakpakan naman po natin sila. I hope we never forget that our lives is not measured by how perfect our records look. Because one day, our transcript will become just another piece of paper. But the kindness we showed, the people we loved, the courage it took to keep going, and the memories we created, those are the things that stay. Real success is peace and contentment in the heart. I am Bianca Nicole D. Pagkaliwagan from the College of International Tourism and Hospitality Management, and it has been my honor to share this wonderful chapter of my story with you. Thank you, salamat LPU, and congratulations to all of us.
Magna-9 na. And waiting kay Rona, kay Jorel, tsaka kay Kian. Continuation to ng vlog for that. We're here sa studio. We're here sa school for clearance. Super dugyot na.
Saan yan? Alam ko na yung picture yan na pinagsama-sama. Picture natin. Ay, picture! Kaya pala nagpaala!
Naisip
per
ko.
picture natin?
Yun.
Si Renz! Akala ko yung ina-AI. Yung sama-sama.
Ba't super dami? Ay,
Sa iyo.
si Rona, oh.
Ito, magkasama kang dalawang to. Iyan ko mo na iyo.
Ay! Wow! Thank you!
Plastic ang plastic. Plastic.
Sipat na. Tsaka kay Renz.
Ito.
Akin. Thank you, Manny!
Yung paa niya. Hi guys, so to be the end of college diaries. And nagpipicture taking lang kami. And na-recreate namin yung pictures namin nung first year or nung before pa mag-start yung college. Bye guys! Bye!
Matapos na, guys.
And nasa ng college diaries. It's the end! Bye! Yes, nakita na ulit ako sa vlog niya! First time!